Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're talking about something we all love to hate, something that promises peace of mind but often delivers a piece of its mind instead. Insurance. That beautiful legally binding contract you sign hoping you'll never need it, and that they sign hoping you'll never need it either. Today, 5 shocking insurance scams companies don't want you to know. These aren't just minor grievances, they're systemic, calculated schemes to part you from your money, offering the structural integrity of a chocolate teapot. Quick note before we descend into this corporate rabbit hole. Normally we'd show generic stock photos, a smiling family looking at paperwork, a concerned man on the phone, a gavel hitting a block of wood. But no, the reality is too bleak for stock. We're letting the horrifying facts speak for themselves. No visual fluff, just you, me, and the cold, hard, financially devastating truth. Grab a drink, preferably something strong. Pull out your policy documents, gently. I can't promise you won't want to set them on fire by the end. We'll peel back the layers of jargon, expose the loopholes, and arm you with the knowledge they count on you not having. Let's dive in and uncover the truth. First up, we have a scam so brazen, so utterly audacious it's almost impressive. The phantom policy. This is where a seemingly charming, trustworthy insurance agent sells you a policy that, to put it bluntly, doesn't exist. It's the Casper the Friendly Ghost of financial security. You think it's there for you, but when things get spooky, it vanishes into thin air. You pay your premiums diligently, month after month, year after year, secure in the belief that you're covered. You have the paperwork, the fancy binder, maybe even a branded pen. Everything looks legitimate. The agent pockets your money, perhaps creating some convincing-looking forgeries to keep the illusion going. The real horror begins, of course, when you actually need to file a claim. You call the number on your documents, ready to report a car accident or a flooded basement, only to be met with confusion, denial, or a disconnected line. Next on our parade of horrors is a tactic beloved by insurance companies everywhere: the claim denial loophole. This is the art of using the fine print to weasel out of paying legitimate claims. Your policy document isn't just a contract, it's a minefield of jargon, exclusions, technicalities, written by lawyers crafting get-out-of-jail-free cards. They'll deny a water damage claim because your policy covers sudden and accidental discharge but not seepage or leakage over weeks, as if you should watch your pipes 24/7. The premium bait and switch. This one is a classic, a true masterpiece of deceptive marketing. It starts with a tantalizingly low introductory rate. You see the ads, you get the quotes, and you think, wow, finally, an insurance company that isn't trying to rob me blind. You sign up, feeling smug about the great deal you found. The first 6 months or a year are pure bliss. Your payments are low, the sun is shining. You feel like a financial genius. This, my friends, is the bait. Then, without warning, the switch happens. Your renewal notice arrives, the premium has skyrocketed. Not a small inflation-based adjustment, a jump so high it feels like a typo. Your affordable $100 a month car insurance, suddenly $250. When you call to ask why, you're met with a flurry of vague explanations. Rising costs in your area, updated risk assessment, changes in our underwriting guidelines. Now we come to a particularly cruel and cynical strategy: the delayed payout. This isn't about denying your claim outright, it's about dragging the process out for so long that you become desperate. It's a war of attrition, and they have all the time and resources in the world while you have a leaking roof and mounting bills. It starts the moment you file a claim. The friendly agent you signed up with is suddenly replaced by a team of adjusters who are impossible to reach. Finally, we have the subtle art of the unnecessary add-on, or as I like to call it, death by 1,000 paper cuts. This is where agents and companies pad your policy with extra coverages you don't need, often without you even realizing it. They use confusing names and bundle them into packages, making it difficult to see what you're actually paying for. So there you have it, 5 ways the industry designed to protect you can actively work against you. The common thread here is a calculated exploitation of trust and an abuse of complexity. Companies create impenetrable documents and then punish you for not understanding them. It's your primary defense against these predatory tactics. Your financial security is worth the fight, and I'll see you next time.